All right, so in this section of the lesson, we're just talking about operators, the common, primarily mathematical operators that we can apply to integers, floats, and then also you saw we can actually apply some of them to strings. So the knowledge check here was just to get you doing some basic math or mathematical calculations within Python, and just to kind of observe the difference in the order of operations. So let's look at number one here. Compute 1 plus 4 squared. All right, so this is just going to be 1 plus and then 4 squared in any type of exponential operation we do with the double asterisk sign. And since this is going to follow the normal order of operations, we will perform 4 squared first, and then we're going to add 1, and we should end up with 17 as expected. Now number 2 is compute 1 plus 4, but then square the output, right? So this is making sure you think about the order of operations. We want to do 1 plus 4 within parentheses, right? That's going to ensure that those are performed first, and I can take that output and I can square it. And so now we get 25, which is expected. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Next one is compute 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 4 cubed, right? So all we're doing here is let's take 1 cubed. Let's go ahead and take 2 cubed, and then 3 cubed, and then 4 cubed, right? So now again, this is going to follow the normal order of operations, where it's going to take 1, cube that first. We're going to add to that value 2 cubed, add to that value 3 cubed, and so on, which ends up being 100. Now, number 4 is compute 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and then let's square that output. So again, we want to ensure that the addition happens before we get to the squaring. So we just want to do, right, it was 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We're going to do that first, and then we're going to go ahead and square that output. And for that, we happen to get the same results, 100.